So sir, ano pala yung main thoughts niyo po sa grazing bar niyo pong campus?
Touch that count. So ayan, time check. It's 11:58. Medyo malakas yung TV natin, no? Sandali, about natin. So look at the hair. Did you like the hair? I do hope you like it. Yan, yung mga nagpapalit sa atin sa araw-araw ng buhok na yan. So Bretman truck, di ba? But anyway, it's time for us to work. Punta tayo ng friend Jerry to check yung gawa ng RM doon, okay? See you there! So yun, we're here. Ba't ba gumagalaw? Ayan. So nakita niyo ba? Paano ba to? Kaya niya bumalik. Ayan. So at our back, sumusunod yung camera. Yung ating ceremony. So loving the colors. Did you see the colors? See? Diba? Ganda. Love the colors. It's autumn color. More na orange, burnt orange kung tawagin. So here is our entrance. We have our entrance arc at the back. There.
Ang fresh mo dito.
Nakabilag pa yan. So color grade pa nila.
Naka 4K. Hi, Jeff!
Forever! So, for today's wedding, nandito tayo ngayon sa Frangeli House.
Narinig ng lahat.
Nakuha pa rin yung Golda! Thank you!
Hello, our memories. Thank you so much po. You have exceeded our expectation po. Kahit short meeting lang, nakuha nyo po yung na-imagine namin at saka binonggahan nyo pa po. So,
Above beyond po.
yes, thank you so much,
Nagulat
sir.
kami sa setup. Ang ganda.
Yes.
Nakuha nila yung, or more than pa yung nakuha nila na gusto
Thank you so
namin.
much.
Thank you so much
We're
po.
so happy.
Thank you so much. So yun na nga, tapos na tayo sa Frangeli. Punta naman tayo sa isang venue natin for tomorrow's event. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa Newtown. Cordilleran tayo bukas. Natutulala ako. Bakit? Ayun. So yun, ulitin ko. Tapos tayo sa Frangeli. Punta tayo ng Newtown. Kaya samahan nyo kami doon. Bye for now. See you later sa Newtown. Bye! We're here na sa Newtown. Elevator tayo. Second floor lang, pero elevator pa tayo. So yun, we're here na sa Newtown. Here is the Newtown. La 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 la. Meron pa. Ay, oh. Setuping. They're setuping here na. Here at Newtown. Ang pangkalsa ng RM. Jeline. So, ang guess natin tomorrow is 400 bucks. The last time we were here, it's around 200 to 250 yata yung last natin dito. And now, we are into 400. Another Highland wedding. Cordilleran wedding, Kinamberlu. Yun. So, samahan nyo ako bukas to let you see, to let you know, to let you see, to let you know kung ano ba ginawa natin dito. So, it's a classic wedding again. made by our memories. Kaya mga forever, see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Bukas sana iba yung t-shirt ko, hindi naman black. Gusto mo ba to? Kasi gusto ko yon. Gusto mo yon? Gusto natin yan. Gusto mo yon? Gusto ko rin to. Bye! Day 2! Welcome to SLU Church. That's like Ignatius. Ignatius pala. Basta yun. So, dito tayo ngayon. As you see. Just see that. Just see that. Ngayon back na tayo. All white tayo. Actually, white and green yung team natin dito sa SLU. We have Sander. The details na. So, unahin natin yung mga churches natin. So, we have here also the bouquets. Already yung mga bouquets natin. Ayan. Mas maganda to. At andito na tayo sa pangalawang church ngayong araw na to. Welcome to the Holy Family Church. Tada! There you go. Naka-off pa yung mga ilaw. So, later yung layo on yan. Look at that! Diba? This is our backdrop. Imagine yung brighten dito. Time na yan. Kakasal ka na. Tun na. Diba? Gano'n ang mga eksena mamaya. Tapos dito sa altar. Yan sila mag-I do. Baka ng church ito. Diba? Nice. See you sa mga reception in a few minutes. Pero mag-gracing muna tayo. So, see you later. Bye. So yun, tapos tayo sa dalawang church natin. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa dalawang venue natin. Unahin muna natin ang Newtown. Bakit ako hinihingal? Yan. So, kung mapanood nyo man tong video na to at hindi nyo sundan, alam nyo na kung ba't ako hinihingal. Charis. Yun. Papunta tayo ngayon sa Newtown. Then after natin yung Newtown, kasi magsaset up pa tayo doon ng greasing table natin. Nalaglag yung bag ko. Ang dami nangyayari. Yun. Mag-grazing tayo doon. Uy, may 7-Eleven. Pag may 7-Eleven, pumapalakpak yung tayo. May na. Wait na tayo. Nagugutom na rin ako. Gutom na 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 ako. Yun lang. So, punta tayo ngayon ng Newtown na. Kaya ako pa sinasabi. Ulitin ko, mag-grazing table tayo doon. Hindi pala tayo grazing table. Pinoy grazing tayo ngayon. So, watch her. Mumontage namin yun. Bye for now. See you sa Newtown. Bulaga. We're here now sa Newtown naman. This is the Newtown Convention Center. Ayan. This is one of the biggest venue here in Baguio. Ayan. We're here sa baba kasi dito rin natin nilagay yung ating grazing table or yung mga grazing bars natin. So yeah, nandun siya. Yung bars natin, no? So, ang grazing table natin or bar natin is provided by the one and the only Benjamin. Diba? This is Benjamin. Nanay at tatay ko si Benjamin. Yung V, ginawa kong V as in Victory yung V kasi yung nanay ko Virginia. Tapos yung Benjamin, tatay ko Benjamin. Ayun. Yun lang, short story. Bye-bye. And tada! We're here now sa second floor ng Newtown. As you see in the background, as you wish for. Ayan ang gawa ng RM for today's video. Actually, tayo. Para maganda yung lighting. Ganda ng ilaw mo dyan, Besh! Sino ka dyan? Ayan. So yun. Ay, naghuhulasa na sila. Ayun na sila. Ayan. So, medyo malaki yung trusses natin for this time. For this time. Actually, ano siya, almost full ng venue. Doon sa dulo. You see that? So, abangan nyo na lang yung montage ng venues natin. Ayan. But I walk you through a little by little. So, we have 2 VIP tables. Ganda. Look at the ceiling. Diba? Oo. And the bed. So actually, Cordilleran to, kaya medyo mababa lang yung centerpieces natin. Kasi nga, ang Cordilleran, ayaw nila na masyado marami nakalagay sa table. So yan. Kaya nangat natin lahat. Yun. So yun lang. Abangan nyo nila yung montage na ito sa mga next post natin sa our memories page and to my personal account, TikTok account, and Instagram. Look at that. Diba? Ganda?
Hello po, good afternoon.
Hello.
What are your thoughts on today's event po?
What, ano?
What are your thoughts on today's
Your
event
thoughts?
po? Opo.
Hi, it's so hard to be a coordinator. But at the same time, it's a very fulfilling. Pero sana alam ng mga tao ang difference ng coordinators and personal assistant.
Sir, good afternoon. What are your thoughts on today's event po?
My thoughts of today's event, first off, where Highlander meets will get married to a Lowlander. So my thoughts would be it's a mixture of Lowland traditions with Highland traditions, and because of that matter, we are about to incorporate wedding cultural traditions here in the beautiful Cordillera down there, Lowlands. And going back to your question, my thoughts. Well, I hope that we have a beautiful styling. We have a beautiful, beautiful sound system with a LED wall. We have a beautiful, beautiful mobile bar, of course, later on. So I am expecting the guests of the bride and the groom will be cooperative enough to make the event livelier, fun, and memorable. And my thoughts of you would be, you're guapo.
Huh?
Only that.
Thank you for your insightful opinions.
Thank you.
Yun lang. See you. Punta naman tayo sa Grand Sierra. Bye-bye. Andiyan na tayo sa Grand Sierra. So we're here in Grand Sierra now for another setup. So here's the venue. Ayan. Gawa na lang din ang montage to. What are your thoughts about this? Ito thought that counts. What are your thoughts? What are...
Ganda. Kaso, pangalawa na to. Bukas isa pa.
Tatlong araw kami dito. Yeah, tatlong araw tayo sa Grand Sierra. Bye! We have Lord Gonzalez on the road.
Ay! Sabi ko, ba't kaya ito nagpipicture ng pababa? Hindi naman yung camera. Hi, mga forever! Ba?
Bar muna. Hi! Hindi pa tayo mag-outro. Nandito pa tayo ngayon sa another venue. Walaan nyo kung saan. Ito ang venue nagsisimula sa V, nagtatapos sa S. So we're here now at Venus Hotel. Yeah. We're here now at Venus. We're setting up. Ayan. So, with string lights tayo ulit. Nagdi-discussion sila. Live wire yan. Baka makuryente kayo. Ayan. So, that's our team. Love, Joy, Hope. Yun yung team natin. Sige. Bye for now. See you tomorrow again para sa full setup. Bye. Mabitin. May aso. Okay. So, hi guys. Good morning, everyone. Sabi ko, Pilar. Today is another day. I just woke up like this. Paano yun? Ayan. Alright. Parang makapag-intro. Oh. Ay ko. Eh, wala na siya. So yun, good morning everyone. Today is another day. Hintayin ko lang yung breakfast kung dumating. I ordered from McDonald's. Ayun. And then, maligo na tayo. It's our third day. 2 more events for today. And after that, susunod na sa 28 na yata. Kaya, see you there to all our events. Punta natin sila at mamaya. Ba't may gumagawin ganyan? Yeah. Grand Sierra and Venus Hotel. See you there. Tada! We're here now at Venus. Here we go. Tayo sa Venus na. So, hindi tayo racing table. Ay, kulang ng isang dalawa. Sige. Yan. Here tayo sa Venus. Ching! At tapos na tayo sa Venus. Yan, punta na tayo ulit ng Grand Sierra for today's ganap ulit sa Grand Sierra. Grand Sierra na tayo on the way. Tapos na. Haba. Yun. So, natapos natin ang ating events from April 18 hanggang ngayong araw na to, hanggang 25th of this month. April 18, dalawang bookings natin. 19, meron din tayo. Nagpahinga lang tayo ng ilang araw. Bumalik tayo ng 23, 24, 25. Gusto nyo ba yun? And it's not just one event in one day. Oo, mapapa-thank you Lord ka na lang talaga. And also, for that one, may English. At syempre dahil dyan, gusto natin pasalamatan ang mga ilang taong naging bahagi ng ating success. Pasok, editor.
Isang tingin, isang ngiti, puso ko'y nabigani. Sa chubby boy, nakatangi.